Hello and welcome to another session of Mindful Data Mine. In this session, we will see how to register ourselves for SAS OnDemand for academics. We will be using SAS OnDemand for academics for SAS training. For this, we will have to first log into SAS.com. On the home page, we need to click on Software, then All Product and Solution. We then need to click on All Product A to Z, and there we need to select O. That will route us to all the products starting with O. We need to select SAS OnDemand for academics, and once we are routed to this page, we need to click on Access Now. This will route us to another page where we need to click on Sign In, and once we click on Sign In, this will give us few options like to enter the username or password, or in case if we forgot password or we need to create a new SAS profile. We need to click we do not have a SAS profile. This will route us to a new page where it will ask for few basic details to create a profile. The basic details would be first name, last name, email, country, SAS affiliation, and organization or university name. Once we fill all these details and click on create profile, a message would appear stating that the profile has been created and a verification email has been sent to you. The email verification would look something like this, where you need to click on activate your SAS profile. Once you click on activate your SAS profile, it will ask you to create your new password and confirmation password. Once you set the password, it will pop up a message stating that your profile has now been activated. When you click on continue, again you will route it back to SAS.com page. Now you need to follow the same process, that is software, all product and solution, all product A to Z, and then you need to click on O, and from here we need to select SAS OnDemand for academics. Now this time when we click on access now, we need to click on sign in again, and after that we need to use our username, that is our email ID, and we need to enter our password. And once after filling that, we need to click on accept and click on sign in. Once we click on sign in, we will be routed to another page where for the first time it will say that your profile is not registered, that is unregistered profile, and it will ask for some other basic details. So after clicking on I agree and after clicking on register, it will route to another page where it will ask for the region or the home region. We need to select between US, Asia Pacific, and other region. After selecting the appropriate region, it will start processing our request, and once the request is completed, it will show a pop-up message like this. Your registration has been scheduled, and this will take somewhere approximately 10 to 15 minutes to start up. Now once this registration is completed, your profile for SAS OnDemand Academics will be fully activated. Again you need to go on sign in and log in with your credentials, that is username or email ID and password. When you click on sign in this time, now this will write you to Asia Pacific region because I've selected Asia Pacific region, and we need to click on launch. So once we click on launch, it will route us to another page by opening another tab which will open the SAS Studio for us. So this is the basic introduction on how we can register ourselves for SAS OnDemand for academics. I'll see you in the next lecture where we will be starting with these SAS sessions. Thank you.